places never hit the same. I've been running out of luck.
Good morning. We're at Lake Lyell this morning. Travelled up last night. It's Anzac Day morning, and yeah, did a little quick setup last night. We'll finish setting up this morning. Lake Lyell. Can't really see it. Hopefully it'll burn off soon and we'll see some sun. Good morning. Breakfast time.
Good morning.
Good morning.
He's got the new gumboots.
Get a fire going shortly, what do you reckon?
She knows where to put everything.
Chin touches on the awning. Snap one off. I was having some morning tea.
You getting your hair done?
Yeah. Thanks for an apple.
Alright. Alex is now set up. Got our brew on. Oh yeah. And yeah, ready to crack on with the day. What a belter of a spot.
You like my eyelashes? They're definitely not from a water bottle. Yes.
What do you reckon? Are they ducks?
Say
Are you
hello.
relaxing? Are you relaxing? Lean back, eating my special K.
And your cup? He's got her coffee.
Happy. This is what it's all about.
In these quiet hours, I feel at ease, like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in it every day, and sweetest steps, some steps away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like
Cheese.
swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light, and a simple joy, everything feels right. I find
Hello, you
the magic
okay?
soft and free.
No, Bella, that's a crocodile fly.
Just being me.
Hi. Just about to have dinner, slow cooked nachos. Crazy Eddie. Crazy guys, all the girls on a magic beach trip. And then all the girls over there are fighting because they can't hear the blues. You're pretty good, bye guys.
See ya. Say hello. Hello. Say hello.
Just the afternoon light in the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me.
That are like, oh my god, it's amazing!
Leftover nachos. What do you reckon?
Good.
How we feeling?
The world's at peace in moments like these. I sip my coffee, feel the warmth inside, letting the day just gently glide. The sun dips low, the shadows play, everything slows down.
Hey yo! Oh, really? Pack up day, and it is wet. Absolutely second. However, we've got a good attitude.
Yes.
And yeah, we're getting there slowly. We've sort of done everything we can while still undercover.
Yep.
But the next phase will be the wet phase.
Yep, I think so.
And yeah, we may need a warm coffee afterwards. It's out.